guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I've been inactive for a few weeks and that's because of my exams and my lectures. I'm not free yet, but how can I forget you guys? So I'm here. Okay, basically what we are going to do in this video is question and answer to your questions, and we have a guest in our video. Mama, ready to come? Hi, namaskaram. എന്തിനാണ് നമ്മള് വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്നത്? എന്തായിരുന്നു? അപ്പോ എന്റെ മോളെ നിങ്ങൾ ചില ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. ഞാനും കേട്ടോ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ കേട്ടോ. നമ്മള് ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് അല്ലേ, നീ എന്തിനാ പേടിക്കുന്നത്? ഞങ്ങള് ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഓക്കെ മമ്മ റെഡി? സോ ലെറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഹാവ് യു എവർ പീഡ് ഇൻ സ്വിമ്മിംഗ് പൂൾ? First tell me किसने की है. Just tell me that first. Honestly, swimming pool no. यार पाप लगेगा तुम लोगों को. स्विमिंग पूल यार बीच पे किया है. Like who doesn't do that, bro? Like I was small, 3rd or 4th standard maybe. So that's fine, I guess. But not swimming pool, huh? Okay, this next question is in a sequence by same person. So who is your role model? Okay, so my role model is my parents. My mother, because she's a very selfless person. Like not only for her children, all mothers are selfless for the children, but she's selfless for everyone else. I am kinda selfish. I think role models are meant to be an expectation what you want. So yeah, and dad, because the way he handles various situations in his life with bravery and that stability, so that makes him my role model. So yeah, next question, what makes you angry? ഇത് ഞാൻ പറയാം. പറഞ്ഞു രാവിലെ എണ്ണീറ്റ മുതൽ തുടങ്ങും ഇവളുടെ ദേഷ്യം. എല്ലാ കാര്യത്തിനും ഈ കാര്യം കുറ്റം, ആ കാര്യം കുറ്റം, പിന്നെ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുന്ന ഒരു വിശപ്പടക്കണം അവളുടെ ദേഷ്യം എന്ന് പറയാൻ. പിന്നെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഇവളുടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ ബ്രദർ, ഈ രണ്ടും തുടങ്ങും. അത് പിന്നെ തീരത്തില്ല, ദിവസം മുഴുവൻ അതായിരിക്കും. അവൾക്ക് ദേഷ്യപ്പെടാൻ അങ്ങനെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് കാര്യമൊന്നും വേണ്ട. ഇങ്ങനെ എഞ്ചിൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ടാക്കും പോലും വേണ്ട, തന്നെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടായിക്കോളും. അല്ലേ മോളെ? Okay, this time she's exactly right and I can't argue. Sharia. Okay, next question. If you want to change something in you, what would it be? Isn't it obvious by the previous question? Of course, my aggressive nature. I just want to change that stuff. How do you edit your videos? You mean dance videos or okay, vlogs and dance videos? I use 2 apps, InShot and Vita. So basically I'm not that good in editing, dear, but ठीक है, चल रहा है. Like if you start something now, you will start to learn it by your own if you have interest, then only. So if you really want to see how do I edit my videos, then you can surely let me know in the comment sections, or you can text me personally. I'll try to put a video if you want. Okay, now this is what you all were waiting for. Do I have a boyfriend? What should I say? ബോയ്ഫ്രണ്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മമ്മി എന്ത് പറയും? മമ്മി ബോയ്ഫ്രണ്ടോ? ധൈര്യമായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞോടി, നിനക്ക് ബോയ്ഫ്രണ്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? എനിക്ക് തോന്നില്ല കേട്ടോ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ പോലത്തെ പെണ്ണിനെ ആരെങ്കിലും ആഗ്രഹിക്കുമെന്ന്. എന്നാലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറഞ്ഞോട്ടോ. I can have a boyfriend. So basically I don't have a boyfriend. Whoever asked this question, I'm going to hit them. It is because of you all I got roasted in front of camera. Anyways, now this is a TBH question. Okay, whoever asked me, that girl should know it is for you. Okay, we met in college. We were not good friends when we met, of course, but you know there is some kind of vibe, like you understand the people by the first glance somewhat, like you get an idea ki how they are. So you had a very like positive vibe which attracted me towards you. By the end of the year, gladfully we are very good friends, and now also we are very good friends. So happy about you, dude. I don't have anything negative to speak about you. Yeah, give me a chance to speak negative about you. I'll be searching for that chance. Okay. Now, next question. Your celebrity crush. Now this is a good question. മമ്മി അറിയാം മമ്മേന്റെ സെലിബ്രിറ്റി ക്രഷ് ആരാന്ന്? സെലിബ്രിറ്റി ക്രഷോ? മറ്റേ ആര് കൃഷ്ണന്റെ റോള് ചെയ്ത് നടക്കുന്നത്. നീ എപ്പോ നോക്കിയില്ല അവന്റെ സ്റ്റേറ്റസ് ഇടും. അവനായിരിക്കും മിക്കവാറും, അവൻ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും നിന്റെ സെലിബ്രിറ്റി ക്രഷ് അല്ലേ? എന്തുവായിരുന്നു അവന്റെ പേര്? സുമേധാട്ടോ. സുമേധ ഇവളുടെ ക്രഷ് അല്ലേ? യെസ്, ഷീസ് റൈറ്റ്. സുമേധ കറക്റ്റാ. ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റൻ ഇസ് സോ ക്യൂട്ട്. ഹൗ ആർ യു? Hey, दिल को छू गए तुम तो. How are you? Yeah, in this selfish world, if someone is asking you how are you for such a good chance of asking me anything, dude, you will forever remain in my heart. And this question is asked by two people, one boy and one girl, and I'm so glad that you people are my friends. This question is made by Dumbo. कभी नाक में उंगली डाल के मुंह में डाला है क्या? यार, whoever asked this question, I know who asked. तूने ही किया होगा, पक्का तूने ही किया होगा. क्या ये जरूरी था? You could have asked me anything else, bro. Anyway, there's an emoji and the person is asking ये क्या होता है. So emoji you can see here, right? So भाई ये क्या होता है? This is basically nothing. I just annoy people with this emoji or when I want to tease them. ये वाला जो feeling आती है ना, at that time I use this. Now this emoji is used by many people for many other reasons. I use for this वाला reason. Okay? Done. Next, what is the best Wi-Fi name you have seen in your life? यार Wi-Fi name मतलब मेरे पास तो आइडिया का वाईफाई है. नेम भी होता है क्या? लाइसेंस मिल गया. अरे हाँ, you didn't know now? Okay guys, I'm just 18 and I've got my license. This question. When and how was your first kiss? You don't have to answer this if you feel uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm very comfortable now, right? So, first, what? First? എന്താടി കിടന്ന വെപ്രോള പെടുന്നേ? Today I also want to know. പറ. I'm your best friends, don't worry. We are best friends. Don't worry. പറഞ്ഞു. Mama, of course it was you. When I was born, the lady who kissed me first was Mama. Of course that is first kiss. What you are asking? Anything. Next question. Orapalle? Pakka. Yes. What are your hobbies beside doing reels? Firstly, making reels is not my hobbies. It's just a part of time pass. It's not hobbies. So if you're speaking about my hobbies, literally dancing to anything is my hobby. You know, dance is my passion too. I know there is a difference between passion and hobby, but I dance every day, so you can tell me it's a hobby. Then reading books is my hobbies. Nowadays doing artwork is also my hobbies. I don't have anything else. So yeah, making reels is not my hobby, so don't misunderstand me like that. Anytime at any point I can leave the social media and go. I'm that type of person, so I don't think making reel will be my hobby. Next, F3 പറ്റിയുള്ള അഭിപ്രായം. എന്റെ കൊച്ചെ, F3 is the best paper. Like our time we feel like no, F3. Okay, who doesn't know F3? F3 is a subject of my course. I'm doing ACC. F3 is basically financial accounting. So our paper is really good. Now whatever subject we are doing, Oh my god, it just breaks my head. Nothing else. So, our paper in Dupont, no, I just missed that paper. खुश हो ना? हाँ, बहुत खुश हूँ. We should be happy always. Next. How the hell are you? What? How the hell am I? So creative and energetic. Oh, bro, you scared me. Okay. I'm flattered, creative and energetic. Thank you so much. Am I creative and energetic? If yes, then I'm very happy, yaar. I used to think myself as a lazy lad. But now I'm creative and energetic. I discovered it myself today. If we were the same age, would you have gone for a date with me? I think age doesn't matter actually. I wouldn't mind now either. So, yeah. Ready, Aman? Mama, it's just a friendly date, not the date you're thinking. What, Mama? Nothing. Let's go to next question, otherwise it will go very long. Make reel on Mukabla song and same steps which we practiced in college. I'm missing those. Those golden days. I miss them too, yeah. Those days were like really good. Like when we were all together. Same steps, I don't have that video. But I can promise you on making one Mukabla song. So yeah. Will you do it with me? If yes, then it will be fun. So, anyways, next. Now this is really cute. I really wish हम एक division में होते. I miss you so much and old days, and also feel bad कि तो shift हो गए. So, यार ये truck वाले. So basically, she is my school friend. I shifted from that place since my father works in a government job and we have like transfer in 3 to 4 years. हम कभी एक डिवीजन में पढ़े हैं क्या? I think once or twice we were in same division, but after that we were not in the same division. I still miss those days when we used to solve maths questions, like crackheads we used to do. We used to compete for each other. I really miss those days. Like we could have been a very good friends if we'd been in the same division. Division really matters, We'll meet. Someday we will meet for sure. So next. कदी भेटशील? Bro, मिलेंगे जल्दी. Whenever I'll come in Mahad, we will meet. I'll inform you, okay? How many people using your account? You mean Instagram? Wait, what do you mean by how many people using our account? We all use our account by ourselves, right? Like, do you all share your account with others? No, my account is operated by me only and only I use it. Yeah. I think I answered your questions. I was a bit confused. Anyways. When are you going to shoot your next vlog and also challenge video? So you're excited, huh? That makes me happy actually. Like we get kind of vibe to do. Like someone really wants to see our video. That makes us feel good. Next. When will be your next dance video? I'll surely post it. Actually, I have many choreographers done ready with me, but the only problem is that I'm not getting time to get ready and shoot plus editing. It takes time for beginner like me. So whenever I'll get time, I'll surely do it. Next, FA marks. FA is basically F3 paper about what we have discussed earlier. FA marks, I got 71. I cleared the paper, that's all I meant, and I got 71. I think it's not that bad. So, MA ellam settle. So, MA is a second subject which I'm doing currently. എന്റെ പൊന്നെ സെറ്റാ ഭയങ്കര സെറ്റാ എന്ത് പറയാനാ ഇങ്ങ് സെറ്റായി മനസ്സിലായി കാണത്തില്ല നെക്സ്റ്റ് this question is kind of how much do you love me? ആരാടി ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചേ എന്തൊക്കെയോ കള്ളത്തരം മണക്കുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, സൂക്ഷിച്ചോ. ചെറുക്കനാണോ പെണ്ണാണോ? അത് ചെറുക്കനാണെങ്കിലും പോട്ടെ, നായരാണോ? ആണോ? പറയടി. എന്റെ പൊന്നു മമ്മി, ചെറുക്കനല്ല, പെണ്ണ. Okay, this question is asked by a girl, not by a boy. By a boy. So, whoever has crush on me, don't get upset. So, how much do you love me? Dear, you have always been with me whenever I wanted you. Maybe not physically, but by mentally, you have always supported me. So, I love you to infinity, babe. I love you. So, next. Would you date any of your subscribers? So, this is an interesting question. I will. I maybe. I can't say no. Dating one of my subscribers, bro. My subscribers are really cool, hot, and samajh lo. So yeah, maybe. Next, how long do you plan on keeping me single? I know you love irritating me, but this is too much, huh? Like seriously? Now I'm at a point I can't disclose your name. And you ask me such type of question where people will think really I'm in a relationship. Like anything. Okay, this is not a question by my boyfriend or anything. This is basically my kind of best friend. And yeah, I'll try to keep you single forever in your life. Okay? Happy? Celebrity crush ho gaya, now you're back of current crush. How? Now this time I won't ask my mom. Should I leave this question? I'm going to skip it. ഓ പിന്നെ സ്കിപ്പോ? എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞല്ലേ? കറക്റ്റ് അല്ല ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്. നിനക്ക് ആൻസർ ചെയ്തേ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. ഞാനൊന്ന് പറയട്ടെ, നിന്റെ ക്രഷ് ആരെന്ന് ഒന്ന് പറയടി. അപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞേക്കല്ലേ. So my current crush is...
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
മമാസോ അപ്പൊ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളായിരുന്നു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ഇത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞോ? ആഹാ. എന്നാ പിന്നെ ശരി കേട്ടോ, വൈകിട്ടാ വരെ എനിക്ക് ഭക്ഷണമൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പോവാ. ഇവളുടെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ലൈക്ക് ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തേരെ. എന്താ ഇത്രയും കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതല്ലേ എന്റെ ഉമ്മയിലൊക്കെ, നിങ്ങളൊരു സഹായമൊക്കെ ചെയ്തേരെ കേട്ടോ. പിന്നെ ഇനി ഞാൻ വീഡിയോസിൽ വരണമെങ്കിൽ എന്നോടൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേക്ക് കേട്ടോ. എന്താ ഇന്നെന്താ പറയുന്നത്? കമന്റ് സെക്ഷനിൽ പറഞ്ഞേക്ക് കേട്ടോ. വേണമെങ്കിൽ വന്നേക്ക് ഇടയ്ക്കൊക്കെ വീഡിയോനകത്ത്. എന്നാ പിന്നെ ശരി. ബൈ ബൈ. So if you want my mom in my video again, do let me know in my comment sections. I answered all your questions, guys. I answered it honestly, except certain questions which I didn't answer. I hope you love this video, and if you do, यार like कर दो, और हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, and हो सके तो शेयर भी कर दो. So done, no? हाँ. So guys, I forgot the main thing. It's not New Year yet here. So if I'm posting this video before New Year, so in advance, Happy New Year. And if I'm posting it in New Year, then hey guys, Happy New Year. Without any further badbad. Chalo, tata, bye bye.